Right, hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. So quickly go down to the 4 hour. So last week we was expecting a movement up to clear this high. We got that movement. Then we was expecting a reversal to start. This was the main area of reversal. You can see we started to build liquidity and then hit that area of reversal with a nice impulse move down on Friday. So that's the weekly forecast from last week being followed very nicely. Hopefully it brought you some profit. Links are all in the video description if you want to go check them out. Now, following on from last week, we have got the confirmation of a continuation down with that nice impulse move from the sell area. So this week we have a clear forecast for a continuation down. We just need to work out where we are getting in from and where those reversals are likely to happen. So all we do is we go down to the smaller time frame and look at structure. So we're targeting this main liquidity pool down here, and that's likely to happen over the next 2 weeks. That clear continuation down to this low, and it's likely to go lower. So we go down to the 1 hour and we can really look at price. So the main reason we're reversing here is because of this, I call them manipulation areas, which are your consolidation, your fake out and an impulse move, which shows you true direction. The more it does that, the more manipulation takes place and the more that area becomes consolidated and is of importance. So this is your consolidation, this is your fake out, this is your impulse move down. It gets a retest, another impulse move down, so this becomes a clear manipulation area. Go to current time. Price comes up to that, and just before that you get your consolidation, your impulse move up, and you'll get one more impulse move up with the news, then your big drop. So this whole thing on the higher time frame is your fake out, and this downwards move is your true direction. And what you're currently getting is your retest, and this week you're looking for a clear continuation down. Go down to the 15-minute time frame, and we have our first area of interest when I can work out which one it is on. Not that one, this one. So what you have here is your consolidation. You look at the areas in that consolidation and you want to focus on the main consolidation areas within the fake out. So you can see we consolidated, fake out, another fake out to the downside, retest that area, another push to the downside to collect liquidity, then you push up to collect this liquidity, and that's all you're doing along here. But each time we're coming back to this area to accumulate or to consolidate. This is your main area of interest. We have a few grey areas because this one shows you the main area. Then you consolidate it a bit more, and then you end up with layers of grey areas in one area. So what that means is this price comes up to this area, then you're likely to see resistance, and then price has a chance to go down. So that's why we're favouring a continuation down from this area first. So we can drag that along, something like that. So you're looking for a continuation down from here. That's the first one. Then you look a bit higher. So this is your main high volume area before the downwards move. You have your consolidation, which is big, that runs along like that, but obviously that don't give you much to look at. So what you do is you look at this price action and you have this area of consolidation. This is a fake out, that's a fake out, come back to retest. So this area here becomes your area of concentration. So what you'd be looking for, that is the start of it, but this bit here is your main area. So if this bit doesn't hold, then it's likely to come up to this one, which is the maximum to follow this forecast. Then you will see an impulse move down to follow the green line. So we zoom out, we drag that all the way down like that, drag that across like that, And remember, we're going all the way down to this big orange line down here, which is at 2349. That would be the main target over the next week or two. Depends on how much volume they want to put into the market. So there we have it. Go down to the 15-minute time frame, and we are looking for a move like that. Either go down from here, or come up to the maximum retracement and then go down. It's probably best viewed on the 30-minute time frame. If I can just adjust it. There we go. That's what we're looking at. So that's the weekly forecast for gold this week. You're looking for a continuation down. So this is your breaker on the small time frame, and this is your breaker on the big time frame. You're just looking for a retester there, followed by a continuation down. Now, a little tip, if you're a swing trader and you're looking for a big move, we are on to a new weekly candle. Let's just get a different chart up because that's got arrows on. There we go. So we're on to a new monthly candle. This is. You can see the previous one. This is liquidity. This is the upwards move that I mentioned in previous videos. It's taken this liquidity here. We've started the week up here with a strong bearish move on the smaller time frame and big bearish confirmation. So that means this monthly candle is likely to close bearish and be a big bearish candle at the end of August. So that means you're likely to clear this low here at 2319 and preferably go below 2286. You are looking for a big bearish monthly candle, and that's likely to be bigger than the previous candle. So if you was looking for a swing trade, you'd be looking to enter a sell on Monday, and you'd be looking to hold it until the end of the month, and that's likely to give you around just under a $200 move to the downside. I'd be expecting, I'd say around $150. So it would be a very good risk to reward if you can get into the trade on Monday or Tuesday, preferably Monday, and hold for the whole month. It's a big potential there, and it has good success rate to happen. So if you can match, where is it? This smaller time frame analysis with the higher time frame analysis, you can get a big risk to reward on this trade, which is likely to happen on Monday, and it's likely to target these areas here on the monthly time frame. Hope that helps. All my links are in the video description. Check them out. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. Hopefully by the end of this month, this simple trade would have turned into a lot of profit for you. Let me know if it does. Obviously, let me know if you're going to go for it. That is the sort of thing you can turn a small trade into a big swing trade and get a big risk to reward. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.